Oh, hi, Yate. I'm here at Whiskey and Lace, and I'm gonna go get my haircut. Come in. Good afternoon, and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. Today's Navajo word of the day is I'm getting my haircut. To say that in Navajo, you say Shitsii, Ná'álzhééh, Shitsii, Ná'álzhééh, I'm getting my haircut. Shitsii means my hair, Sha means for me, Nálzhééh means I'm getting it cut again, and that's with like a buzzer. Shitsii, Ná'álzhééh. Now, if I wanted to use the intransitive verb and say I'm getting my haircut but not say hair, I would say Ná'álzhééh, Ná'álzhééh, and that means I'm getting my haircut but you're not saying hair. I like to get my haircut here at Whiskey and Lace. Akwegi, Whiskey and Lace-ki, Nijonago Shitsii, Ná'álzhééh. If you want to get your haircut here, I would come here. Shitsii Shandolje Ninzo Nath. Jared here does a good job of cutting my hair. Jared, Nijonago Shitsii, Shaneshe. And that's today's Navajo word of the day. Shitsii, Ná'álzhééh or Ná'álzhééh. Have a nice day.